Hey gearheads! If your classic Nova just doesn't feel as tight and responsive as it should, there's a good chance your ball joints are the problem. Today, we're taking a closer look at CPP's premium Nova lower ball joint, a direct fit upgrade designed to outperform the originals in every way. When it comes to restoring the driving feel of your Chevy II or Nova, you can't overlook the importance of a high-quality ball joint. CPP engineered this as an exclusive upgrade built specifically for your Nova, combining modern durability with the steering response and road feel you expect. Let's talk about what makes this ball joint different. First up, this unit features an advanced low-friction internal ball stud design. That means smoother movement, reduced resistance, and noticeably improved steering effort. You'll feel it right away, especially in tight turns and low-speed maneuvering. Next, you've got precision machined housings and a hardened ball stud. These components are built to work together to minimize play, eliminate unwanted noise, deliver smooth, consistent articulation. The result? A tighter, more controlled steering response that inspires confidence behind the wheel. CPP didn't cut corners when it comes to installation either. Each ball joint includes a locking nylock flange nut for secure retention along with high-quality mounting hardware for proper load distribution. This ensures a solid, reliable fit with no compromises. Unlike original designs that used a loose boot, this ball joint features a crimped, sealed boot that helps keep contaminants out and extends service life. So what does all of this mean for you? Smoother steering, reduced noise and play, improved handling feel, long-term durability. Whether you're restoring your Nova or upgrading for better drivability, this ball joint delivers where it counts. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out. That's it for this video, and remember, for parts that are built to fit, built to perform, and built to drive, make sure your ride is CPP equipped. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.